Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about, okay, how to in GUI, okay? So how to start pressing buttons. We learned how to make labels. Now today we're going to learn about how to press buttons. For that, all we have to do, it's a really long code to do, but let me show you how it works. Import the tinker as tk. Then what we have to do, simple window dot tk. Window equals to tk dot tk. Oh, why did I write tl? I meant to say tk. Then after that, then what we do is window dot title buttons. Let's just say first GUI right now. First GUI. First GUI. Okay, then after that, we have window dot geometry. So let's check it. Not check, but let's try spelling it. Geometry. Oh, why did I write that? Geometry. 640 x 430. After that, window, oh gosh, dot configure, right? Configure, you know that. BG equals to light blue. After that, label 1 equals to tk dot label, all capital L, label. After that is simple text equals to home, and BG equals to red, FG equals to blue, let's say for now, and width equals to 10, comma, height equals to 10. That's it. You know what to do, label 1 dot place. Let's just say label 1 dot pack. Label 1. Actually, place. Label 1 dot place x equals 200, comma y equals 200. It has to be positive. So exactly. Now, here comes the logic how we create a button. Now here I have to use annotate because here here we have a button. Okay, we have here is we have a button. Right now, let's just say it's oh wait, it's too big, so let's just erase this. Okay, so let's say let's just say I have a button. Let's say this is a button which we can create A, for example. And I have another button here. A label H. So wait, H. Good. Now, when I press A, right? When I press it, H over here has to change, and it will, instead of it, it will say, it will write B, and it has to change the width, height, foreground, background. That doesn't matter, and the text too. But that doesn't matter. It's your choice if you just want to do that, but you have to change the text. Okay, so wait, let's all erase this all, guys. Okay, good. So, what we want to do is now we're creating a button. So, button 1 equals to, wait, we have to create a button. And that's what we're doing here. Button 1 equals to tk dot button text equals to, let's say, apple. Well, I was just giving an example, but now we're just doing something different. So let's say red, comma, fg equals to blue. Where is it? Comma. My bad. Yes. Blue, we can say white. Now, what I want to do here is command equals to lambda colon change. You can change this because sorry. The change over here is actually just a variable. Okay. Oh, why did I have this? Okay, leave it. But the change here is actually a variable, so you can change it to something else. Okay, change. And then if I want to change it, all I have to do, my bad, is then parenthesis, okay, app. So apple. And that's it. Then do button 1 dot path. Oh, what did I do? Button 1 dot path. Exactly, that's it. After this, we can now do window.main. But before that, we ask, okay, yeah, we have to define change. We have to make the function. Then what we have to use an argument so we can hold the apple. So x colon, then label 1 dot config, which means we're editing it, right? So text equals to x. So the text can, whatever we have here, which is apple, is going to be on the x. So text dot x equals to x, I mean. Then we do bg and all that simple stuff. bg equals to blue, or what? bg equals to blue. Let's this time say green, comma, fg equals to red. Let's just say, yeah, red. So after we're done that, this is it. If we want to change the width and height, then we have to do comma width equals to whatever. But if we want the same, we don't have to do that. So let's run it. I forgot to do window.main loop. window dot main loop. My bad. Okay. So yeah, window dot main loop. Yeah, we have the parentheses there. Put. Let's just refresh the connection. Oh yeah, let's change Apple. See, Apple. See, it's working. And not only that, the button is actually clickable. That's the fun thing about it. Now look, see guys? Home, Apple. It's so fun to do, right? Let's try it again. Now guys, let's actually change the text into okay, let's do it. Wait, let's change this apple into click me now. Where's this? Where's this? So okay, let's run it. Click me now. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to me. Please do it. Okay, guys? So this is how it works, okay? How you press the buttons. So thank you everyone for listening about how to press buttons in Python GUI. You can use it in Replit or GUI, okay? And I hope you like it and bye. And don't forget to like, please.